In this video we're going to be adding an accent cover to our Servo wire harness. I'll tell you all about it coming right up. Alright, so I recently added a different air cleaner to my 2016 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Ultra here. And what you're going to find in some cases when you change from your stock air cleaner to an aftermarket air cleaner, it's going to leave an area here that's not covered, this servo wire harness. And it just looks kind of crappy. It's just a big black wire harness basically, and we want to cover that up. Now what I found in my research is most of your servo wire harness covers are going to be a big assembly that you actually have to put on before the air cleaner. You can't install it after the air cleaner is installed because it mounts behind it. So the one that I found is from Servo 3D. I've done a bunch of videos for Servo 3D in the past, but it's this guy right here, and it just secures to the harness so you don't have to worry about taking your air cleaner back off if you didn't think about it ahead of time like me. So we're going to get into that install right now. So for starters, what we want to do is just reach behind here, and we should be able to feel a little tab. There we go. That was a little hard to push this little tab, but once I did get my finger on it, I could hear it kind of click. So that's basically all you have to do for that. Now you're just gonna want to get a little bit of alcohol to clean this up a little bit. So I'm gonna grab some of that. Clean it up real nice. Bike is getting dusty just sitting here in the garage all winter. And if you do need instructions, Servo always sends really nice instructions, full color layout. I've really got to hand it to Servo. They've got some of the best instructions I've ever seen. I just want to see how this is all gonna fit. Let's see, this goes this way. So that'll fit right to the edge like so. We just want to figure out the placement because we want everything to line up, right? What you want to do is remove your plastic film here off of your 3M tape. Now we're just going to line that up like so. And this bracket will help hold everything into place. The instructions say to make sure that the connector is like flush with this, but I'm having a little bit of difficulty getting it to lock, so I actually moved it just beyond a little ways. So hopefully that won't be too noticeable. And there it clicked. So now we're good. Now we're secure. And I might just try to tighten these down a hair more. And that's it. Very simple install. Another great way to kind of dress things up a little bit. Covers up that ugly servo wire harness. I think, you know, the V kind of accents the motor a little bit. I think it looks good. And it's a fairly inexpensive piece that serves a purpose, I guess, covering up that servo wire harness cover. So that is it. The Servo wire harness cover for your Harley-Davidson motorcycle. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell notification icon. It does not cost you a thing, but it'll keep you up to date and current every time I upload a new video or go live, and you do not want to miss that. Until next time, guys, stay safe out there as always. We'll catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest.